Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to discuss a common problem that users might face when using ZSH and how to resolve it. The problem arises when the completion error occurs while running the trial command in ZSH, resulting in a cryptic error message that could be quite frustrating for users. Now let's delve into the solution for this issue. One way to address this problem is by disabling the completion for the trial command using the following command, compdef trial. This command effectively disables the completion for the trial command, preventing the error from occurring during auto-completion. In summary, we've covered a common problem users may encounter when using ZSH, specifically related to the trial command, and provided a solution to resolve it. By disabling the completion for the trial command, you can avoid the error message and continue using ZSH smoothly. I hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and until next time,